Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT for Solution. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna tell you about plugins. As plugins play most important role in WordPress for managing or creating your website or making it beautiful. So first of all, click on plugins. We're gonna use different plugins. For example, as you guys see in some websites, we have contact us page, and in contact us page we have a little form there which has included your name, email, subject, and send message. If you want to contact us, some companies provided this page. So we're gonna create that form for contact us page. We're gonna click on plugins. Here are some by default plugins. We can add new plugin here by clicking add new. If you have downloaded any plugin, you can upload it from here. So here we gonna search contact form 7. Every plugin have different name and every plugin have different functionality. So this is contact form 7. I'm gonna click on install now. Now I'm gonna click on activate. As you guys see, this plugin is installed, and here we can find it in sidebar menu contact. Now if we can refresh this page, and no changes occur in this page. For creating form, here we can go on contact and click here, and after clicking here we can find short code of this contact form 7. It have contact form 1. We can copy this short code and come on pages contact us page where we want that little form. So here we can click and paste that short code. Now click on update. After that, I'm gonna refresh my page, and you guys see this form is awesome and created by WordPress plugin named as contact form 7. You can also guys add new form here. If you know a little bit about HTML CSS, then it will help you more. So after this, I'm gonna show you one more plugin which is about reactions. DW reaction. Here this is DW reactions. I'm gonna install this plugin now. Install and click on activate button. After this, I'm gonna click on my, and here you have reactions. When you install this plugin, and if you want to know that where it goes, you can come on settings, and here is reactions, and here show reaction. Here you can change settings of this plugin, DW reactions plugin. Show reactions button, show count, user must be registered, and you can also positions on. As I want only show the reactions button only below the post, then I will click on this and I will uncheck on this post. Pages where you want to show, or show on all posts, all pages, it depends on you. Now you click on save changes, and here if I can go on home page, and you guys see here is the reactions coming, and I am gonna click on this love. Now this is the simplest way to add a plugin, and we have some other plugins like, which is the most common and most famous plugin in WordPress. It is Elementor. Elementor is the most famous plugin, which is free, and some of its features are paid. So we're gonna use Elementor page builder in our next videos, and it is awesome, and by using this we're gonna create our whole website. I hope guys you enjoyed this video, and please like and share this video to your friends. Kindly subscribe to my channel for further more interesting videos. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.